Okay, hello and welcome. In this part we will be covering the orbs. So when you pick up the orb, you will get another body part, grow on the back and follow you. Okay, so let's go ahead and first off I want to delete these. And we want to start fresh with only a snake head, because snakes are... I'm just talking trash. Anyways, let's go ahead and create the prefab from our snake body. Okay, and let's go change this to 0.19 since I think that is the best distance from each body part. Okay, let's go ahead and delete that. So we're gonna start off by making a orb. We'll just make it a cube. We'll put these cubes here. Actually, don't duplicate anything. Okay, let's name it orb and change its tag. Add tag. We'll add orb. It's just gonna represent an orb. When you pick it up, you're gonna grow apart. Okay, and change the tag to orb. Okay, let's go into our snake movement script, and we're gonna go ahead and add a unity method, which is already here. We just need to call it. It's called void on collision enter. So when we collide with another one, collision other, so we can do stuff on collision. Okay, so the first variable we're gonna need, and the only one I think, will be called public transform body object, which is the prefab we just created. And let's go ahead and sign that up so we don't forget. This is actually going to be a part that we'll be adding to the end. So prefab is here. Actually, prefabs are stuff that we want to create in-game with code, which you'll see in the next few minutes. Okay, first of all, let's go and check if other, that's how you access the collided object, other, since we assigned it collision other name, variable other.transform.tag, if it equals orb, we want to do this. Okay, first we want to destroy the orb, destroy other.gameObject, so when we hit it, it's gonna get destroyed. Okay, so the next thing we want to do, okay, nice space here. Okay, so we are just gonna, if body parts.count equals 0. Okay, so since we're starting fresh, we need to check for this one, otherwise we're gonna get an error that the array out of index or something, I don't know. So we're gonna start off by making this vector 3 current pos, which will be our head position, which will be transform.position. We'll transform new body part, which will be assigned when we instantiate it. Okay, so to create a new body part, there is a method called instantiate. Instantiate, you see it here. Okay, so it asks for the object position to be spawned. Actually, it asks for a prefab, game object or transform, that we have body object here, vector 3 the position where it's gonna appear, and the rotation. So we're gonna go instantiate, we're creating body object, which made a prefab, vector 3 current position, comma, quaternion.identity, so it will instantiate, and it's very important you put as transform, since it's not a game object, it's transform. And to the body parts, which is gonna do add a new body part, since our snake body always asks our head, which is the last one he has, so we can follow it. Okay, so, and else, if there is more than 0, we're just gonna go ahead and copy and paste this. But the current position will be body parts dot count -1 dot position. So this will get the array of body parts, get its count, always -1 because it starts from 0. If we have 5 game objects, it will go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 5. We don't have the fifth one, we just gotta do -1, and it will give us the exact last game object. Save that, go back into Unity, it should all work fine, no errors. Okay, hit enter and let's see if this works. Okay, it doesn't, let's see why. Oh, because our snake, oh yeah, we forgot to add the rigid body to our snake head. Add the component called rigid body and turn off the gravity. Colliders are actually, they need to use rigid bodies to recognize the collision. Actually, let's go ahead and make a few of these more. Just copy and paste them so we don't have to do it later. I'll just do it like this. Hopefully it's gonna turn out fine. Okay, go ahead and run that. Now if we pick up one, we're gonna get no reference exception. Oh, that's because we haven't. We have. Let me see. Snake 62. Oh, we left the body parts onto 3 and we gotta set it to 0. I think actually it's the best. Okay, no, yeah. Set it to 0. It should work now. Okay, you see, we're getting body parts just like a real snake. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.